Ka Shillong Law College Women's Cell haka jingelam jong ka Internal Quality Assessment Committee kala penlong da ka drama lengkot haka live hotarik ya yong ban ai jing pensyai syaki pat ba haka baya day bat ka jing sha Khubor ki Kynthei kumshi benta ya ka jing rakhe kemen ya ka Golden Jubilee ya ka ne ka drama lengkot la penlong hadhan kiti Shillong haka ba ki Samla puli kila shim benta ban pen ipat ba ya ka ne ka drama Habai kran bat kilat pathai Khubor ka convener jong ka Women's Cell Dr. Wanri Shisha Dekhar bat ka Dr. Mrinalani Kharshiyeng Vice Principal Shillong Law College kila ong kadon ka an yakitu ki basha Thombor ni sha bat bor banyadayaki khnang ban wanra ya ka ju ka jing im lait lut ha ka im lang sa lang kani ka drama kala kersiu thia banele persha yaki kam Thombor ya Kynthei khna Khubor jong ka an kidei ban ai ki ju ki jing yada jing shngan bat jing em balat lut ya baro kinong shong shnong jong ka jela bat ka rihi baro ka we bat dei ru ban pen shitom kat kum ki kendon an ya ki tu ki bale ya ki kam Thombor
dia ningkong ni organize kini ka program namar ba ni celebrate ya ka Diamond Jubilee celebration juga pada bulan September tinggi semua kemba nga convener from Women's Cell tinggi semua ba ni joy awareness program na Khubor di apa ni wa ban ai awareness ba kibon mentam ni Peit kedua sexual harassment in workplace nang tapi cyber crime kedon di domestic violence di kerja wah di imlak salang di jong di nak takadam ni ki students jong ni dak ni ka awareness program bagi beriu kin yo ke information ke jingtep ka bakham bnia kumno sha e bikin let di kalong ka ka badan kam e hakini ki po kam tam social media haki ki spread ki videos nang pictures di nak takadam ki haban ai ka awareness ya ka ki public kum haki ki ya ke surau no ki tik singkin ki ya ki surau kin yo ngi ka awareness ki dating kim tips e bikin let kim yo e kata jing champagne na e bik ke kan di ka kidan kum kita ki an ki banyada ya ki di na Women's Cell kata daw ni organize kini awareness program kidan mo ki kept ni si legal awareness kidan ba kim tip si begin file mo kita ki cases ki complaints ting ki so kumba ki clearan ting mo banwan sakmat di hadin kanu ko banai show de ki snam ru ki wan ban approach mo ki authorities kum ki police magistrate ko di nakata ka daw ki ka support kanya ki begin file sometimes ka ki report na ki ban file complete di nakata ka daw long ka awareness ro ko badan kampa ya ki kena amenta kam ki kena ki Kynthei badang Samla kadno ki sha abuse mo idan ki rape cases di nakata ka daw ki kumi ai ni ko awareness program ka ai lat ki ba shi bekin le bekin num shaptiang ken ki wan shakmat namar ba khnang ba ken te lakam ni ki kambe bamman kambe an khmat na nang ni khmat bangin ai ki awareness na maki students to last month ki dam ai he po St. Anthony's College kumto spanga Bosco act nang tapade spangi mo ki cyber crime ni nang ai ken po St. Anthony's College kumto St. Mary's College St. Mary's School ti li ai every now and then ke ti ta nang ni khmat bangin ai ki kum ki NGOs ro ni shili ai hoi ka ya kata ti hoi lang ka say so pa namar ba tik siya sunong kendong kamtap mo ida ai legal awareness ka ting ki sutu bakla ting ki ong ba ki da file FIR di ka mo ki haban siu bisa ka no ki tik mo long ka khamrem di kamdi kum ka mo di ni ai awareness programs mo ki FIR ki bill nang tapade long ki bun ki arrest mo ni ai kita ki jingtip ro shaki kanang bakin tip ba kumno ka procedure kaya ti ting kim tip ti ki belong ki basic information about law ki ngila ban ai ki basic information siya ibakin let ada ka ja kum taki kambam bian ki abuse ki Kynthei kibon mo long kum ki if teasing mo nam pinsa kam benya la de kini ki khna kin ai ka street play ki if teasing then stalking nang tap de begin ai kini ki kin comment ne begin ong ki comment ki kin tien ki ba chakhya ti kum churu ba kumno halinti simkin shwe kshale mo cha thombor ti kibun mentah ki social media le khamtam social media ko kadi ke ba to kadi ka baharu but kadi ka basniu ro ka jo ka pon ti na ta ni haban te kumno begin make use of that ti kidon ki cyber crime shru baja ti ta kibun ki kambam man kin sha Kynthei ki haban te pin ki
Clicking my picture.
You're so beautiful and so hello. You're so beautiful and so elegant. So I clicked your picture.
Don't you do that. I don't want you to take my picture. Why he's clicking your picture? How dare you? Don't you know that it is punishable by the law if you take my picture without my permission? I'll report this to the police.
I'm so very sorry. I did not know that.
Don't decide. Don't decide.
We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
Baro hippie saki ole Samla.
How dare you?
Come on, let's go out with me. We will have some fun.
No way, I'm not interested.
Come on.
Stop it! Get away from us!
Go! Don't bother us!
Don't you know that eve teasing is punishable by the law?
What law?
I will file a complaint against you. I am well aware of my own rights.
Okay, so sorry. We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
Wadhagi jagatrei ki thei demo ki Salemon yaki bam tip ai obakan yaki kadon hoi kiu ubas bas ngau hanga usdang leit bat le balan uhap mani kala kendo nok trei ki batip an hoi kiu
Oh, darling, you've been working since morning. You should take some rest.
How dare you address me as darling?
What's the harm? You're working in my office. You're working for me. I can do whatever I want.
I'm not comfortable. Don't touch me.
I'm your boss. I can do whatever I want.
Don't you know you can't address a girl with colored remarks? Sexual violence in the workplace is an offense. I'll file a complaint against you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know about that.
You don't turn aside.
We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
We won!
Justice!
Banshu pataruma o habanda perkat arsien namar kadon jingma lada jingma langgi penglien hoi kiu uba sung chiet ya dori thei uthat ma dei khadu thred u kendet bau la le ya ka bem dei hoi kiu
Hey, did you see the picture of Lily? Oh my god, it's so sad. I feel so bad for her. If this goes viral, she'll be in a mess. We have to do something about it. Who posted the picture? I think it's Joy. What happened, guys? Hey, did you see your picture? No, I had no idea. Oh my god. I think we should call Joe. Hello, Joe. Where are you? We need you right here. Come fast. Hey, why did you post a picture?
Which picture?
This picture.
I didn't post it.
How dare you to post my picture without my consent? Are you in your sense?
I didn't do it.
You had no right to post my picture without my consent. You punishable?
I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware it was punishable.
We won. Ki anh baring kalang sambya kahok baki dawa. Hoy kiu. Hoy kiu.
Turn this side, turn this side, turn this side.
I want justice.
Justice? Justice for what?
I've been suffering for a very long time. My rights are being violated. I need protection.
I don't seem to understand. Are the rights of women even equal to men?
Are you even aware of the rights that are provided for women?
All laws are for women. All laws are for protection of women. You don't even know how many laws are there for the protection of women.
What are you saying? Is it a fact?
Yes, of course. We want justice.
Have you ever thought about us men? We don't have any special right to protect us.
Rights? Why do even men need protection? Why do they need protection? You're men.
Look at me. I have been abused and people take advantage of me.
And I have faced domestic violence at home.
Where do we go? And where do we go? Us men.
We won! We won! We won! Ngintip tiyakan, ragan tay te bat simrang, kahok bayaring kat, amday ba kan te siliang, hoy go, hoy go.
Gender-neutral laws are the way forward. Equality has to be achieved among men and women. Violence is faced by everyone regardless of gender. The need of the day is to bring equality among all, and no innocent, whatsoever be the gender, be punished. And those who try to instill violence in any form should be taken to task.
We won! Justice! We won! Justice! We won! Justice! Wat chang te ha kendong ya jing si sa wa dom le ran banyo ka hok la jong let kendo kiri te ban hoy 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 tetep te yadan yo la kan thai te bat senrang ka hok bayaring kad on the back and te siliang hoy go hoy go hoy go. We want justice. 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 Khubor, thank you so much.